Alright, so let's unbox this thing, because you gotta see that everything is as it should be. So, let's see if we can do this by hand. Okay, well there's lots of bubble wrap, so that's good. And this is somewhat sponsored because they gave me a very good deal on this. So the packaging is great. It looks like they took a lot of precaution. So yeah. You know, what I'm going to do is lay the box down. Oh wow. And then there's even more. Wow, yeah, they really wrapped this up good. It's a lot to unbox. Wow. You know, I'm gonna get a knife. Boom. So from this part, just a little bent, but oh yeah, so it's a little flexible, okay, so that's not bad. But from this part, some people may already know what this part is, or what this is from. So yeah, let's get into some more. Another one. Alright. And by the way, this is all carbon. I'm not sure if you guys are able to tell it, like if you're too far or not, but I'll get closer with a couple of the parts after I'm done like unboxing this. This is probably just gonna be like a long video. Yeah, and I'm trying to cut without scratching the carbon because that would be ass. just the shapes and everything of this diffuser is just so sick. If you guys can't tell by now, this is a carbon fiber rocket bunny diffuser. So this is the part that, well, it's going to go on that side. So this is the part that like goes on the back bumper like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all these, but yeah, I'm just going to like, because it's going to be like a custom configuration, so I'm just put it on however it fits, because it's not for the e36, but I just do like how aggressive it looks. So, you guys see, like, this thing is just really sick. Like, just the design is so aggressive. So, let's pop this sword piece back in the sheath. So for example, this is the side piece that goes down here. And, you know, since the e36 bumper is different, not sure how useful this is going to be, so it may not be getting used. Even though you guys can't even see what I'm doing right now, but yeah, this part is not going to work because the bumper is too long. So it's probably just going to be set aside, sold, whatever. So I'll see if I can slide this thing in here. And I'm going to unbox the rest and get back to you guys when it's done, because this is going to take way too long.
So, Jesus, all the content of the packages, or the package, whatever, looks good, but as you guys could see, this is the same side, and this is the same side. So I believe this will be the driver's side. I'm not too sure. I don't know if the driver's side or the passenger side, because I don't know if the carbon faces down or faces up, but I do know that the carbon faces outwards. So this would be the driver's side, because it connects like this. So like, yeah, it's hard to explain if you haven't seen it before, but there's two sets of the same side here. So that's a problem. Why is it a problem? Because these two parts connect the two side blades with these. So if that's not the same, it will not be able to connect, because it'll be facing the wrong direction. Like, yeah. So I sent them a message, and I'm gonna see what they can do, because hopefully these aren't made wrong, because they're supposed to be mirrored on either side. So once I get that sorted out, I'm gonna see what they could do and ship it out. If not, I'm going to have to improvise by using this piece of spare carbon that I have. I'm gonna see, it's not too far off, but it doesn't really matter anyway. But I did buy this because I knew that this is not for the e36, so I'd be able to have like a piece of carbon to make like my own middle pieces and stuff like that, to like, you know, make it all work. So I'm gonna get it to work somehow, some way. But yeah, for now, this is going to be the end of the video. But the quality of this thing is really not that bad. Like, it's pretty flexible, as it should be, because it's not supposed to be too solid, so you can be able to like fit it to the car. But the finish is pretty decent. So yeah, I'm gonna probably just like, well, I can't really do anything yet. I have to wait and see what they could do, if they can send me the other sides, or if I'm gonna have to improvise somehow, which will not be too great, but I'll make it work. If anything, they'll just send me back some money or something. But yeah, we'll get it to work. And I'm gonna see if anybody has use for this, because I do not. Like, that's just not gonna work. It doesn't fit the car at all. But these parts right here that go on the back bumper, I'm definitely gonna try to make them work, because it makes it look super aggressive. So yeah, and then you guys can see the lip over there. Like, the only thing I need next is side skirts. So side splitters. So that's what I'm gonna try to grab next. But yeah, the car's gonna be stock body for now. So I just want the aero to be pretty aggressive. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna get to you guys in the next video. Whenever I get to sort out whatever. Yeah. Peace. These are the pieces that connect these. So this is the middle. So what I'm going to do is put the middle together and then see how I could get that fitted up to the car for now. And then I'll focus on like the side parts and whatnot. But yeah, the middle will look pretty cool for now at least.